Hey, welcome back. Thanks for being here. I don't know if you've been watching the video series, but I am traveling around the country. I am in the Smoky Mountains, and it's nighttime, so I'm using this time to review, or share the books that I have brought with me on this trip with you. And the reason I have these books is because they have been very transformational in my own life, and I wanted to have a copy of them that I could reach out and touch and reference regardless of internet connection or account access or anything else. I wanted to make sure that these were a permanent part of my life, and so I bought copies of them. Most of them I bought on Kindle and Audible first, and now I have a physical copy of them. So they're that important to me that I would actually buy them 3 times, but it's worth it, worth every dollar. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, then you might want to, because I have talked so far about these books, and I won't go through all of them here, but if you are interested in any of these are you're curious about any of these, you can go back and watch those videos on my YouTube channel. And you can also, if you're interested in any of the concepts, anything that's talked about in these books, you can reach out to me at happymancoaching.com, and we can set up a call and have a time to talk with each other and just talk about what's going on with you and what it is that you would like to change, what would you like to be different in your life, and what self-limiting belief you'd like to try to get past. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. Apart from the fact that if you don't have a journal, please get one. Write in it every day. Write in it your real thoughts and feelings. Don't worry about punctuation or grammar. It will change your life, guaranteed. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about real love. And yeah, look forward to that. All right, I love you, brother. Talk to you later. Bye.